Hello, Maine residents, and those of you who are thinking about moving to vacation land up there in Maine. Thanks for stopping by and visiting us. I want to talk to you about getting approved for an FHA loan in your state. Now, the general FHA guidelines are the same everywhere, but not every lender enforces them the same way. A lot of lenders tighten the regulations to make it a little bit more difficult. So what I want to explain to you is what's really available, and then we can help you to get approved regardless as to what your situation is. So first thing is if you have poor credit, this can be done with credit scores as low as 500. The down payment requirement will be 3.5% with credit scores of 580 or better, 10% with scores of 500 to 579. You do have to fully document your income for the past 2 years using tax returns and also W-2s. You have to provide 2 months of bank statements, the last 30 days pay stubs. If you're retired and you have a retirement income, that's fine. If you're on disability, you're getting disability income, that income can be used also. But all of the income that you earn has to be enough to qualify for the mortgage that you are applying for. I know Maine has a lot of rural areas, a lot of lakefront properties. You can still purchase an FHA loan if you've got multiple acres attached to the home that you're purchasing. You can get approved for an FHA loan for one of those homes if it's got multiple acres attached to it. So that's not a problem. And if the home needs a little work, you can get the FHA 203K rehab loan, where you can borrow the money needed to also rehab the property in addition to the money needed to purchase it. So that's a great program. Now maybe you already own the home and you want to refinance it. We can do a cash out refinance, a streamlined refinance where you don't get an appraisal or income documentation. That's available to you. The other thing you need to know is that there are maximum FHA loan limits for each county in the state of Maine. There are a couple of counties that have been identified as high cost, like Cumberland, for example. The loan limit in Cumberland will be higher than the loan limit for Hancock County, for example. The loan limits are different for each county. We're going to list all those loan limits on our webpage at FHAlenders.com, which I'm linking to down below, and you can find us there. Okay, now also there are down payment assistance programs if you need that. We list 2 of them on that same webpage. And if you need a lender provided down payment assistance, we can help you with that. If you have any questions at all, we'll help you at FHAlenders.com. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we hope you have a great day.